Big. This video goes over a truck we built last year, the drive down, and the reveal. In June of 2020, my brother Dale gave me the go-ahead to build 2 Grapple trucks for his tree service. I'm familiar with how these trucks operate, but never built one before. I researched trucks, builders, and log loaders for 40 hours over a few weeks. Many calls, emails, and planning. Found the right chassis, the right fabricator, and the right log loader. I was able to find a glider chassis after reaching out to Sean at Quality Truck in Wisconsin. He had a black Western Star 4900 SB with a 12.7 Series 60, Allison 6-speed, 46 rears, and a 430 gear. It was set up well for hauling. Dale and his wife took a flight to Wisconsin and drove the truck to Edgewood Welding in Pennsylvania. Once Brad at Edgewood received the truck, he got to work. He added 2 20,000-pound non-steer axles and mounted the loader. Some decorative panels and a battery box were bent and added. The bed was next. I asked Brad to add a smiley face in remembrance of my late father who always had one on his trucks. Brad and I spoke at every step of the way, and he sent pictures daily of the progress. Edgewood has adjusted the bed design over the years, and it's very durable with 1/4-inch material and strong ribs. When he sent pictures of the finished bed over, he told me they painted it outside on a nice day. It looked amazing, so I took his word for it. Turned out, he was joking, and they have a paint booth. With the truck completed, I hopped on a plane and flew into Pennsylvania. I met Brad at the shop and he gave me an after-hours tour of the business. It was clean and well organized with different workstations. He went over the build process and then we went to look at the truck. Now I've owned a bunch of cool cars, but when I laid eyes on this truck, I was blown away on how nice it was. The welds, details, and paintwork were excellent. I couldn't wait to see it the next morning in the sunlight. This truck is equipped with a 70-yard bed and a Palfinger M13A98 loader that extends out to 32 feet, and it'll lift about 5,000 pounds over the sides. After testing out the truck for a few minutes, we decided to get on the road back to Florida. The next morning, we stopped south of the border for breakfast and decided to surprise my aunt and uncle by stopping by their house in Jacksonville later in the day.
What is that? What is that?
That's the new Grapple truck.
Oh my God. Wait, where did you drive it from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
They may or may not be the biggest fans of some people. It was time for a prank. We spent about an hour talking about the truck and the story, and then we got back on the road and got in late that night. The next morning, I gave the truck a quick wash, and I got on the road to work. I called Dale and had him come up and park around the corner from our shop, and I gave him a blindfold and walked him in for the big reveal.
Go ahead and take it off in 3, 2, 1, boom. It's big. And shiny.
Oh yeah. Okay, buddy. Holy bud.
Yep.
Somebody scratched it. Somebody had to knock the new off of it before I got to it.
Well, I think Brad, he used the loader for about 20 minutes after he built it to make sure everything was good. Oh, it drives so good. Wheelbase is perfect. Well, you want to start it up?
Yeah.
All right, hang on. First drive.
new truck. What do you think?
It's badass, Bubba.
Thank you.